Hi, here is the Pentax Espio P overall conditions. Okay, and here is the battery compartment. And about the battery compartment, you can use a needle or use the strap to open it. Yeah, here you can see there's a dot, and you just open like this. And it's using one CR123A battery. Okay. After that, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then we need to slide the film into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the film. Okay, like this. Then we just close it and we will auto load. When here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded the film properly, so now we can start shooting by clicking this red button to on it. And here is the zoom function, zoom in and zoom out. Then here's the shutter, and here's a viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you will find out at the center point of the viewfinder there's a dot or circle. So you just use that circle to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Yeah, you see here have a green light up, which means that you have focused the item properly. Then you just click it. If the green light is keep blinking, which means that it can't focus, or if it doesn't appear, which means that it can't focus also. And if have a red light, which means that it will trigger the flash in this environment. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and this is the timer function. Click it, and also same, half press it. Here have a red light up, which means that the timer is start counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay. After that, this one is the landscape mode. You can switch it and click again to cancel the timer mode. And this one is the red eye reduction. Well, I've tried it before, and actually it doesn't have any difference with it or without it. Yeah. Then this one is the flash setting. Click it. This one is force flash, off the flash night mode, on the flash night mode. Night mode is like the shutter speed will be slower lah. Yeah. Then this one is the day mode, off flash with bug roll mode. Yeah, B mode, which is you click it, yeah, the shutter will keep open unless you release it. It's for like long exposure lah. Then this one is fully auto. And here is the panorama shooting, the mode lah. But I would recommend you just put it like fully auto, like the normal mode will do. Because when you switch to the P mode, it will become narrow. Like this means it's bigger. Yeah. Then click again to off it. And here is the back. Here is the date setting. You can adjust by yourself. This one is the format of the year, month, date. Click again, the date and the time. This one is off, which it won't have any date imprinting inside your outcome. Yeah. Then you can adjust it by clicking this select button. It will blink. Then click the adjust button. But you have not wrong. It doesn't until 2025 lah. Yeah, yeah, until 2019 only. So you just ignore it also. And when you should finish, it will auto remind. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.